What do you see the chances of this Suryoday scheme becoming a success? Because it's been there for quite a few years. Now it's in a new form. It has been brought about.
Yes, sir.
What are the issues which can, which can inhibit its faster adoption by people?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are many issues with the project. Firstly is that we do not have cost-effective solar PV modules at present. Secondly, the PLI scheme is functional, but the scale at which we require the modules are not being produced by us. Thirdly, the issue of supply chain is also there, sir. The semiconductors which are used in the plant are not produced by India at the scale again that we want, and it may be succumb to geopolitical tensions that may arise with China. Taiwan, which is the major producer, has made deals with India, but there are chances that China may take over Taiwan. And so one more issue is of behavioral adaptation of the scheme. We as Indians, especially in the local areas where the demand for energy is most importantly there, have not adopted solar on a scale which is required, and the skill gap which is needed, sir.
All right.